what's up, everybody? Super Good Gaming back with another video. And today we're gonna be
They're clear.
I'm just kidding. My name is Superfly. What's up, everybody? Superfly back with another video. Back with my first video. Because today I am doing kinetic sand. Look at that. So me and my cousin, right here, and
I'm not your cousin, I'm your god sister.
Whatever. So here's this kinetic sand.
No,
here's the
Anna's
spoon she's making, and then she's trying to make a kinetic spoon.
Done.
Okay, she's done with her kinetic spoon. Look at that. Let me give you a nice close up. So now I got this.
Let's go live.
Kinetic sand. Oh, there it is. See, look. Now I got this kinetic sand.
No. I'm doing an experiment with it.
Not the spoon!
Oh.
Let's still make it.
So what I'm gonna make.
So we're just making the spoon.
Yeah.
And then we're
I'm just gonna pack a bunch of.
Flip it around. And shape it.
Is this yours?
It was my mouth!
How's the kinetic sand taste?
Good. Bye-bye.
No!
Bye-bye.
So, let me show you guys how satisfying it looks like.
Alright, Eliana, I'm keeping this much.
No.
I'm keeping this much.
Now, this is how it looks like when it's so squeezed. Hey! Hey, stop! Stop! It's number 5.
I'll keep this much. I'll keep keeping this one. Every time you drop a piece of kinetic sand, I keep that much.
Hey, you're not keeping all of my kinetic sand.
Then I can keep some of it.
No, you're not keeping any.
I'm keeping...
No! No, put it back! You know what? I'm gonna end the video right here, guys, because...
For 2 minutes and 32 seconds?
She's being a party pooper. So... Bye! Sponsor me, Liza!